Hello kids, welcome to our channel Learn with Bhavishya. So kids, today our topic is number names from 150 to 160. So let's learn with me. 151 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 ONE 151 152 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 TWO 152 153 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 THREE 3 153 and 154 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 FOUR 4 154 and 155 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 FIVE 5 155 156 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 SIX 6 156 157 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 SEVEN 7 157 158 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 EIGHT 8 158 159 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 FIFTY 50 NINE 9 159 and 160 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 SIXTY 60 160. So kids, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.